So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem with your Galaxy A27 not charging to 100%. Now, the reason why your phone could not be charging to 100% is because of a battery protection feature which you need to look at. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to battery, tap on that, and then under battery, scroll down to battery protection, beg your pardon. So under battery, you go to battery protection, tap on that, and then this is where you have the battery protection feature that prevents your phone from charging to 100%, especially when this is turned on. Okay, so once you turn that on, your battery will not charge to 100%. So what you need to do is turn off the battery protection feature, and that's gonna just leave your battery to charge to 100% every time you plug it in as quickly as possible. Now this turning off battery protection, of course, will degrade your battery faster over a period of time. But of course, if you really just want to charge your phone fast, then you can turn that off. Thanks for watching and good luck.